How do you do that? You are in an influential position in the government, and you are fighting to be an MP, or to be a governor, or to be a senator, or to do business with the same government, or to be corrupted in parliament or in senate. It defeats logic of leadership, and that will retrogress the nation for years and ages to come. And the ball is in the hands of this current generation. And the people who are perpetuating corruption in this country, who are supporting the old people like me, are young people. I can give you names up to more than 50 young parliamentarians, both in Senate and in Parliament, who are corrupt openly. You will be surprised. Who want to be given money to influence a motion or a bill in Parliament. And these are young people. So when you say, oh, we want a nation of hustlers. To me, hustlers are thieves. And nobody would like to be called a hustler. If my boy or my son came to my house and he told me he's a hustler, I will chase him away from my family. You don't need to hustle. You need to go to a properly structured position of government, a properly structured ministry of government, a properly structured hospital of government, a properly structured school of government, a properly structured education system, university, where men are taken there for research, where everything is there, and you yourself, you need to put on properly. Nice suit, good tie, nice shoes, if possible designers. Why should you encourage young ones to be a hustler? This issue of hustling is for stupid people. People who are not foresighted. People who cannot be able to see what is going to happen. This is an unfortunate situation when I hear people talking about how you don't need to hustle. You need to come from school with your degree. You read in the newspaper, and there is a job has been advertised by BAT, by Telecoms Kenya, by Kenya Breweries, and you say this is the area I was specialized in as a researcher. I want to apply this online. You are called for an interview. There is a panel of well-experienced people. They don't want to ask you for rushwa because you have no money. Came from the university, you do your interview, and after 3 days, your name appears in the newspaper that those people, you are qualified. You are now the branch manager of Kenya Breweries in Nakuru. And you get your house allowance, you have a car loan, you have a nice house. That you are not hustlers. We cannot have a nation of hustlers, because a nation of hustlers is a nation of man-eat-man society. Because hustlers can eat even the wife. A hustler can eat his own child. A hustler can eat even himself when he's hungry. This is a hustler. You shouldn't allow yourself to be called a hustler. A hustler because this man who is calling you a hustler went to the university. Why can't he be in a position to create jobs? He was in an influence position. He wants to use poverty as a springboard to leadership. I don't support that. I like being structured. I want people who can teach people to think. I want people who can provide solutions, and I want leaders who can be able to invest in the growth of a society, to invest in a clean city of Nairobi, a clean town of Nakuru, a clean city of Mombasa, a clean city of Kisumu, and build those other small cities, Kakamega, Machakos, to become part of Nairobi, Kajiado State to become part of Nairobi, Limuru to become part of Nairobi, and with structured system, fast-moving trains to connect people to their estates, nice houses, everybody house, very clean. You can finish a week without polishing your shoe because of highly developed cities in Kenya, not cities of hustlers. cities of hustlers. There is full of brew. There is illicit brew in those areas. There is bank smoking. There are people who are informal and they live informally, and they are informal in their doings and so on.